Parle Ropvatika Kitchen Garden Liquid Fertilizer is high potency fruit and vegetable probiotic formulated to improve growth of the plants. Its active ingredients work to ensure maximum floral production and increase fruit and vegetable production. Kitchen Garden Miracle Grow Fertilizer is made of natural, non-GMO probiotics. It helps to increase the production of your fruits and vegetables. It gives them an improved aroma, taste, color and appearance. 100% organic NPOP certified product. The team of beneficial microbes in Parle Ropvatika Kitchen Garden Liquid Fertilizer work on soil, rock cocoa and any other growing technique. Parle Ropvatika Kitchen Garden Liquid Fertilizer is long lasting and easy to use and can be applied once in a week. It facilitates better nutrient absorption by creating a symbiotic relationship between the microbes in the product with your plant's roots. It provides essential micro, macro and pest nutrients, enhances plant growth and protects from pests and diseases, improves veggies and maximizes fruit formation. So grow bigger, healthier fruits and vegetables with soil enhancing ingredients of Parle Ropvatika Kitchen Garden Organic Liquid Fertilizer.